Meaning of Factor VIII.
Factor VIII.
Factor VIII.
Factor VIII.
Factor VIII. Factor VIII refers to a protein in the blood that is essential for blood clotting. It is also known as antihemophilic factor, AHF, or coagulation factor VIII. A deficiency of factor VIII can lead to a bleeding disorder called hemophilia A. The symptoms include easy bruising, prolonged bleeding from cuts, and joint pain and swelling. Treatment for hemophilia A involves replacing the missing factor VIII through injections. However, due to its scarcity, factor VIII replacement therapy can be expensive and may require donors to provide the necessary blood components.